at it again. A wonderful, lovely day and a glorious day from here. Today being 1st of October 2021, and it happens to also be on Friday. So God bless you all richly. If you are watching, kindly share. It is me again, your beloved brother from the new team. The Archbishop of Activism, the hero for democracy, and ambassador for good governance. So God bless you. Please, if you are watching, help do a massive sharing. If you are watching, make sure you help do massive sharing. As we begin to talk about what we have today as a topic. No matter what, we need to keep on enlightening our people, particularly our faithful followers. You know, there are people who follow you and also care about your well-being. Why there are people who follow you after getting excited, they don't care whether anything happens to you. They don't even care whether there's danger in what you are doing. All they just doing, let it fight for us. And I let one of us go and enjoy the environment together. For every freedom fighter I've known, I think I've stood by them. So to God be the glory for that. So please, if you are watching, don't hesitate to share. If you are watching, it is very, very important that you share. As you are sharing, you are also helping us to promulgate also the word of freedom. You are also helping us to promulgate the word of freedom. So God bless you all richly. Please don't hesitate to share. Because your sharing, we need it even more than money at times. You can see our page is constantly under attack. You know why? There is something they don't want you to hear. They don't want you to hear the truth. That's why. Not that I have anything they are discouraging. I don't even know what's called monetization. I don't even know how to YouTube come to pay you money. I'm not interested. I am not interested. What interests me is that I give you information that will sustain and survive you, or also help you in your life endeavor. That's what I'm interested about. So whether they drink Cambo, now only one person if you see our video. But what you do in such a case, always visit our page. At times, just check. Maybe check out toward this time. Afternoon, around from 4. Always check it constantly. Always check it. Maybe mistakenly you can jam us online. Say you are waiting for notification. It is going to be very, very difficult. They don't allow our notification to now the same page where they tag Donald Trump puts. Now they put me. Because we were fighting the irregularity of the November election. How many of you see it in my page that what Comrade Nietzsche said has come to pass? I told you the election was round. It's there. When they use una sense, it's not about head too big, you know, it's all about grace. It's not about who run the race. It's all about grace. I told you. A lot of people will not believe this. It is very, very difficult for people to believe this. Very, very difficult for people to believe it. Please, if you are there, help me do a massive sharing. If you are there, I demanded a massive sharing from you. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. A massive sharing, please, from you, please. Do not hesitate to give me a massive sharing. Do just that as you are doing it. God bless you. You know, I told you several times without about that we are doing it together. We are doing it together. Let nobody deceive you. And I want to appreciate my beloved brother all the way from the Bao, Brother Sato, for the way and manner at times you come in for surprise recharging talent. God will bless you in a hurry. Brother Sato, you may be watching right now. The way and manner you always call me at times and say, Chairman, I want to put internet in your other phone. God will bless you in a hurry. So your life, the candle in your life will never burn off, will never go off. Anyone that trouble you, God will trouble them. I mean, Brother Sato, God will bless you. As many of you that also pray for us also, we come renewing Iyari have a yo in all your life endeavor. When you know where, or can soon dame. My darling, oh my brother, is Asa Wano. No one embrace you where, or Sagbada Sisokoto. So please, for those of us that are there, help us do sharing, help us do sharing. I do pray for everyone. My duty is to make sure I pray for you. Benedict never said, you know, my duty is to make sure I pray for you, all our fans and followers, all the members of the International Association, for the improvement of colored people, #equality. But as many who want us to go down, they will go down for our sake. So for those of you that focus, if you do focus your attention on heading there, you see to a fake where we from come independent, it was a fake one. And it was a fake one, and what are we going to do about it? The ball is in our courts. The ball is in our courts. The Bible says in the book of 2 Chronicles 7, verse 14, say, my people that are called by my name shall humble themselves and turn away from their evil way and pray. He said, I will hear them and I will heal their land. So that is to say, you know, at times in praying, you pray in different dimensions. A lot of people at times, they will close their eye and just be talking. It's not about that. You can just be at times doing something. At the end of the day, this thing you are doing, you are kabaching along the line. God, as I'm making this right now, as I'm going this protest, let the heavens and the earth hear my voice. When we went for protest in Italy, in Roma Parliament, in 2017 ending, that's when I always tell you that the line I enter always almost crashed. When we had to leave Barajas Airport, Madrid, to Bologna. You know, then when I begin to speak, I handled the mic, I was speaking. Automatically, I was speaking Spanish. Could you know immediately, with the effort we joined together, and this very man, our captain, Eranomigo, our captain there, they call the throw hand, give him. I was surprised this man, he don't give me my community, continue. No, don't give me, I never knew that this man were going through attack. But at the end of the day, the purpose why that protest were made was achieved. Why? Because why? We prayed. And even these Benin slaves, that's why today, not your man Adama play, because he betrayed our struggle. The same people that fought him, the same people who announced and say, hey, me will not come out on a fake person. Because he chose to protect the innocent poor citizen, as he claimed, he was protecting them then. Those one are now his friends today. There are struggles you don't betray. If I tell you this thing is bad, it will forever be bad. Except if there is a genuine and a true repentance. Except if there is a genuine and a true repentance. That's what will make me to start considering it. If there is not a genuine saying and a true repentance, my dear, counts me out. So I don't use that one to lay a foundation. Why I quoted that very particular 2 Chronicles 7 verse 14. So it has been like that from time immemorial. It has been like that from time immemorial. For those of us that doesn't fight, you don't want to fight for what you want. Do not so cry for what you lost. As it be said, you do not want to fight for what you want. And beseeching you, brethren, do not also cry for what you lost. Don't cry for it. Because if you watch it today, a lot of things are going on in Nigeria. Nigeria is the most backward and wayward country you can ever talk about, where they don't value human beings. All our leaders, all of them, they are so wicked and heartless. Okay, look at Obaseki achievements. He's not fighting security. The economy is not fighting to make it better. The only two things he has fought was the campaign for himself. And again, the injection. You can see the momentum he put in the injection. You can also see the momentum he put in his campaign. It's a mirage. And for those of us that are keeping quiet, you feel it does not concern you. My dear, he concerns you. even more than me. And a lot of our brothers and sisters are there right now. They are there at home, not doing anything about the present situation. I still wonder. But I love one thing, that a lot of Nigerians right now, they are cooperating. A lot of Nigerians, they are cooperating in the sense that many of them does not send whatever this, what do they call it? This independent. That's why if we must achieve a better society, there is something every one of us must unanimously keep on doing. We have to be cooperative. One. That's why Amos 3:3, he said, can two work together except they agree? Two will not better together except they agree. We have to first of all agree that we are suffering. That's why I told you the other time, severally I've told you, Exodus 14:14, God will fight your fight and you will hold your peace. Have you ever agreed that you have a fight? Is the question we must ask ourselves. Have you ever agreed that in your own full life you have a fight? We have to first of all agree that really we have a fight which we have to fight. Now a lot of people will come to you. Hebrews 13 verse 1. Let brotherly love continue. My dear, what will make brotherly love continue? When you does not feel the same thing I feel. When you does not have evidential value for humanity. If you check our political space today in Nigeria, we are talking about independence. A lot of people, the reason why they are happy with the government, because money they enter their pocket. They does not care about you. All they care about is about the appointment. How they are going to be make one useless commissioner or the other. That's what they care about. That's why if you know what you are doing, join in this very trouble. If you used to call them, don't call them again because they are bad. You voted for them to represent you. And right now they are representing themselves, feeling money is all. Money is not everything. Now, if you look at the heading there, a lot of us know Nicolas Sarkozy. Nicolas Sarkozy is the former president of France. Do you know where it's going right now? He's going to 1 year's imprisonment. Do you know why? Because of the illegal fund, the misuse of fund for his campaign election, for his re-election in 2012 against this man that won him then, Francois Hollande. Francois Hollande. Do you know how much? I think for those of us that want to read it, go to the editor. I think it's about 22 million euros, about 19 point something million pounds. He's going to jail. This was one first when he talk, everybody they shake. But today, the judge will sentence him. He fed the under him before. Nothing lasts forever. Are you a governor today? Are you a senator today? I'm going to sentence most of you. If I cannot sentence you, maybe my offspring can sentence you. We are going to fight hard. That's why if your child is brilliant, encourage your child. Bring up your child morally. Tell your child what it takes so that he be strong, so that he don't join this fake confraternity everywhere that people are practicing abroad. The only way you can be able to pay back whatever people have done against you, let your child or you yourself be lettered. Nicolas Sarkozy case yesterday was finalized. 1 year's imprisonment. They can even write a period and go for house arrest. They will put that electronic tag for his hand. He's going to be a prisoner. Like people in Oko. Nothing lasts forever. If you check American politics today, go and look at what is happening. All of them, they have problems. I talk about gate of hair. Go now they see. Now the one way they do now, they see gate of hair. Any way, ne? Any way, ne? Gate of hair. All these Obama, Bill Clinton and the rest. Because they kill the world. All those are the deep states. And for your information, I want to unveil a lot of things to you today. Go and call that your Queen Palace, United Kingdom, a kingdom, it will be crumbled. What you are always seeing there is a picture. A lot of you don't know what's happening. You don't know what's happening. And you don't want to know. You are waiting for BBC to share it with you. You can't get it from BBC. You can't get it from BBC. Okay, do you think this is original purpose in your life? Do you think Nigeria is 61 years? 61 years. No value for humanity. Nigeria is 61 years. The people that were born when Nigeria got their independence, some of them, they don't old finish. And in that 1960, they told you that The youth is the future leader. Now you are 61 years or 60-something years. You are not doing anything about the situation in Nigeria. You are insane. You are mad. At least shout. If you cannot shout, vibrate. If you cannot vibrate, shake body, lay curse on these people. That's why social media is there. Put fear into their heart, lay curse on their senior son. Where will be here? But you can't say it. You leave it for only me one. And some other person will get corrected. You think that this one is life? Do you know what it is? When your country is not good, there is a way to tell on you abroad. When your country is not good, okay, look at it. I don't used to mention people's name. I was schooling Facebook today. I come across a video of a lady. Her name is Dama First Lady or so. Then I saw the heading. I said, okay, now let me play 1 or 2, 3 minutes of this very video. Then I played it. I found out that because of he criticized the people that fought or that beat this girl mercilessly and naked her, these people, they are threatening her that they want to do this, they want to do that. Forgotten that they are in abroad. This is a situation where now these are youth. They don't bloody care what they go through in Morocco. They don't bloody care. And most of them right now, they are in asylum, waiting for the German government or the French government to give them money. They don't follow their life. Now you are threatening a woman in abroad. God punish you there. I'm in solidarity with her. You people should know. I'm in solidarity with her. I'm telling you people today. Now, I can't understand. Okay, then why can't it be? And I saw not get power. Now, you people do not feel shame that your own color, that you are flying, your own, your mate, is even mesmerizing it. Instead of you people to wear masks and say, we are sorry for what our friends did. We never supported it. I told you people the other day, the reason why so it can only let me with what the reason why I formed it was not for you to start killing yourself. It was not even made for you. It was made for the people in the campus, so that we have something that will always unify us together. That was the reason why it was formed by Professor Wole Soyinka. Just the way I form an association right now. Come, let's begin to talk to the government. Have you ever one day seen me humiliating people because I have voice? No, I talk to our leaders, and they themselves, they know that what they are doing is bad. Then it will be wrong for somebody to come tomorrow, begin to use it to humiliate people, because the page is there. Because when purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. Now, who is going to re-educate these fools again that this thing, we are not supposed to be a terrorist organization? Now, Aye and Taliban, which one is more better? Now, what is the difference between this courtesan and Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram? What's the difference? Now, their mission right now have been tagged to John 10:10 to kill, to steal, and to destroy. Then you expect nobody to speak over the nonsense you people did to that girl. You expect nobody to flee. I can't get it. And a lot of us are folding hands for these fools to be getting upper hand. Police, they will be happy when you report such case to them. They're not see work again now. You are going to see what the German government, the French government, they work together. They have special Interpol that raid cops. So maybe you come. They can render your life useless here, bro. My brother, you can't do anything. You can't do anything. You better just respect yourself. Which way you stop? Just quack me. You can't do anything. You go see Sir DJ come. The person go see the leave. You can't do anything. Because you have no power to even kill. This is a thing that you don't have license here, bro. Why are we overdoing things? Because your fake leaders are home. All those naughty senators, stupid governors. All those stupid niggas. They are foolish. Can they do it? Come and do it here, bro. Now, go to any office, the German office. Tell them, Abakaya. Tell them that you are #1 man from all the whole Nigeria. That you want to see commissioner for police in Germany. You will be arrested. Why are we using what we know to start intimidating people? Okay, what is so special about you becoming a cultist? What's so special about it? Check your life. What you are showing right now, it is written in the book of Exodus 20, verse 13. He said, thou shalt not kill. The very day you kill all your children. That's why if you watch the whole cultist, the wicked one and the dirty one inside, there is something lacking in their life. Watch them very closely. There is something lacking in their life. If it cannot happen to you now, your children must pay for it. You guys are not feeling any sign of remorse. That okay, now this thing was not done well. Even the DSS at times, the government will come on their behalf and say, we are sorry. The DSS, I think, the court charged them about 20 million. I'll be 20 billion, so I think it was billion, allegedly, that they should pay to Sunday Igboho for invading the house. So don't you think some of these boys can make mistakes? Okay, what is wrong about this deed? What this guy sing? Let me see if I can get it from here. What is wrong about this guy even promoting you guys whatever? He just help you to promote it. To me, I doesn't see if no say he can come and join you guys tomorrow. Look at it.
Disobey your forefather.
Now, what is so special about this? That you want to murder somebody for, and yes, somebody speak about it. You are calling the person, threatening the person. You can hold Nigeria there. Go and hold your Nigeria because it's a wayward country and a sticky country. Nobody, a sensible human being will not live in that country. A sensible human being that have life will not be happy staying in Nigeria. Okay, whatever. Okay, now let you one of the see they eat. Because the earth that we are fighting for to have right now, the world we are fighting for to have right now, is going to be a world that is not even made for you, Kofra person. How can you you dehumanize this very girl, and yet you are threatening somebody who's you to say, this thing you are doing is bad? The thing are you creator? Can you even quote when this thing were formed, what you carry to? It was formed in 1952. It was not to intimidate yourselves. It was to fight for the students, to fight for their right from the government and from the lecturer. That's why though when things became difficult in the early 90s, as soon as the students come out, because what gave them morale that we belong to one confraternity, something bound us together. When they don't shake, they'll just come out. Oh, but now this is one to this is going one brigade. Then things were okay. Things were not as worse like this. Because the purpose then was not this bad. Okay, look at the other small boy they caught. That boy I don't think he's up to 20 years. Look how he's going to spend all his life in jail. Look at how they are going to. Do you know how many of your brothers and sisters today is lavishing in prison? Because of confraternity, you go spend 10 years for prison. It's a shame on you. You are being disgraceful. Okay, now what are you gaining? Use your strength to come and talk on social media. Let you to do better things. Give your people orientation. Okay, what do you gain? Just for you to kill somebody, they give you rank. Because you can kill somebody. Do you know what's called? You can see that stubbornness is written all over me. Ruggedity is written all over me, but not to intimidate any human being. But to tell our government that, yeah, this heinous must stop. Even this Europe you are today, what are you doing to make it a better place for you? You don't have any information. Why did you join court? Just for you to raise your moral. Now people will want fear you go fail. Person like me, the very day I know that you are one stupid, but when it doesn't respect yourself. Now me go to look for your trouble because you only work boy. Yes, I will start looking for your trouble. The very day when I come man, I will pick the fact I want to really beat you. As I'm beating you, I'm videoing you. Go and burn a father's house. You don't get papa, get mama. If me and you get quarrel tomorrow, my pa they go put fire. Don't you see now blasting means that me will take finish all your family. Okay, now let you want to get right to do whatever. Nobody will not wicked. Nobody that they don't have mind to do people something. But the more we are growing, the more we are leaving a lot of things behind. Because it does not really, it's not a part and parcel of what we should be launching for. What I look at everywhere. They have campuses in the school. Do you think say court not there yet? They use until they saw you make me. Once in a while, you with your men just see gather, you know, what will you me? You now go flex. But why did it become a terrorist organization? Did you think the last election we ever do, or Nigerian we ever do, where you have shenanigans, all election is going to be monitored from afar? The system you are seeing today is going to be shut down. There's not going to be time for this your number one man. Have you not seen Black Lives Matter? Black Lives Matter, the way they do their things, the way they worry American governors. Can you come out in any part of Europe here, yeah, we are here, yes, man, then you carry placard, just the way my association or PFM did it those days. Can you do it? You show that you are an anonymous. Can you protest with that same name? Then you are hiding under things that are irrelevant, intimidating people. Intimidating people because of what you eat. How many of you can beat your mate? Now you don't get, and later in the day, you go and suffer the rest days of your life in jail. We have a lot of friends, those days in school. Some of them today, they are crippled. They couldn't ascertain to the level we are. Why? Because of what they put on. Whatever thing you feel you are doing today, there is a very big reward waiting for you. If you kill anybody, that the very day you kill, that very day you die, the very day you start underestimating people, that very day, your name will be erased from the book of life. There is no two ways about it. Why not feel guilty one day? Because our government have given you people hand. Okay, who is those governments? Can they practice this here, bro? The real system of how the world is going to be governed is from here. Not from the way, because you have a commissioner that's also a year, then the rest they'll go and pay you. What's your problem? Young boys. And for you men, 50 years, 60 years, what are you doing among children? Which fight will they fight? What is your problem? I think you have Jesus now, who you do call upon in the night. Robert Powell, they call him to fight for you. Why we even make it problem? You balance now, they follow you dragon. You go keep person, the person not look for you back. A lot of people today, they cannot really go home. Do you know why? Because of heat way they don't do. A lot of people today, they are in jail. Look at the two things we are promoting here abroad. Courtesan and human trafficking. I put a lot of us in jail, waiting for the male Nigerian person or a dope person they go to prison. We know the fight now. Now this courtesan issue. And you need to see those the drag road. Now my road be this so poor pepper chemical for person body. But at the end of the day, look at all of them. Why not sit down at times? What is my gain in all these things? Okay, for example, now you have a friend in Madrid, you have in Rome, you have in Paris, you have in Switzerland. Is that one not okay? Build up your reputation. And the most disgusting thing is that they don't even love themselves. They don't even love themselves. Let one of them has problem. I was having a friend then in my city here. He's an airlord. When he was deported, none of them gave this boy a shoe. If you are suffering, they leave you to suffer and die. All they do is for number one man to collect from you. Then what is your gain? Why are you giving yourself problem? Do you think your mother will be happy tomorrow that you are a cultist? Then you are caught, you are in jail. Do you know the pains you are caused for your mother? Do you know the pains you are caused for your father? As I am right now, will be arrested due to a court-related offense. I want to go to prison because I'm fighting for you, not because of courtesan. Paul said when I was a child, I thought like a child. I reasoned like a child. Or when right now became an adult, I have to put away childish things. Why not allow it go? You see men of 50 years, you are still calling them one and one like that. Let's assume you were in school, you don't belong, now part of the system. Why are you not tired? The girl that the Marine that died the other day in Kabul in Afghanistan, that this terrorist attack happened, is 20 years old. The people Donald Trump are using today, aren't you surprised that your name is not mentioned in any way at all that these are the people repairing this world? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are about to call yourself, what are you protecting? What's up? Why not let this world be a better place for everyone? Why this oppression? Why this oppression? Or do you think European police will rush there in jail? You can't do anything. Let's forget about these things. I saw the woman lamenting. For those of you that have not seen the video, let me just play part of it so that we push forward. Let me play part of so that I'll prove for nobody is against doing whatever thing you want to do. Do your parak, do everything. But don't use it to underestimate anybody. Don't use it to intimidate people. The guy just helped you people to also promote whatever. Now, did you know how the song we wrote? You came and meet it. A lot of people have died. Wole Soyinka, the person that found me today, Wole Soyinka is dead. Some of the people that they were together today, they are no more. Have you ever seen that this person was a #1 man? He died and they give him a state burial. It is called a secret call. You do it secretly. The government does not give you license for it. They can give you there in Nigeria. But if it is a good thing, why is the white people, why did they hate you if it is a good thing? Why did they hate you if it is a good thing? Let's take it easy. Small children come into this thing. I don't think a man of myself right now, let's assume I used to be when I was in school. At least by now there are responsibilities. I should be talking about how we're going to raise the kids, how we're going to make our society a better place. Let's assume Nnamdi Kanu was a #1 man in a year. Enough if freedom today. The government go pass the entire body. There are disadvantages in whatever thing you are doing. I can escort you to any office now with my car, with my briefcase. But if you are #1 man, you cannot escort anybody because maybe your name go down there. They will verify you. What advantage do you think you have? You are only walking in darkness. You are not walking in light. The same people that are going to follow you are the same people who is in the opposite go together because you have your gun is straight. Can you carry it here abroad is the question. The Gitanos, we see they deal with it. What's your problem? What is your problem? If for the corner you do, if I were to be a cultist, for example, do you think all this while I was traveling here and there, protecting the innocent poor citizen, I will still be on media? Therefore, don't quack me because my voice now don't say no. Today I can insult any Ogbalegbe because you don't see anything do me. The very day you enter, a part of your life is gone. You feel say now this thing. They write down join CV. Have you ever one day heard all Bokanian, they are coming to America and they went to American embassy, they were given visa. My dear, a time for those ones is gone. It exists. A time for waiting the freak you so, it is gone. It exists. Let me play part of the video to us. Let me play part of the video to us. With the woman.
Okay, I want to talk the matter. Let me make you here.
Look at it.
Okay, so I know what they go on since, and about this matter. Excuse me. When it happen now, many of you here will know what happened to this our beautiful sister. When she used their lyrics or whatever. So all these ones when they say, because some people say they don't be the same, but then so far all the ones where they call, the ones where they threaten. Yeah, I don't they misinform anybody. I talk on the way it be. This
Just hold on, it's the fault of the video. I guess it's counting too. It's the fault of the video. I think I should forward it to you.
The one I was holding.
Just hold on.
America, Sunday France. Oh my God, my hearing. Okay, so many of them they say that's so I go carry this mappa like this and like that. So since when I make that video, a lot of our boys, uneducated ones, they cry up and down. And my phone don't full. About 17 of them number today now submit to Jama Police.
Okay now.
So because all of them.
Now, did you know right now, as they submit their number, their own is gone in the Euro. Their life is finished. The purpose of you coming abroad is done. What is now your gain now? Do you think it's your police in Ubekun or your stupid commissioner at home that will go and take bribe? Why not let use our sense? Why we have a button one day? Have a rat down with someone I make up beer make it by why not now? Even the Bible, the Jesus Christ you are following, he laid down a principle for you. Train up a child the way you grow. Did you know you are not going to get resident again in your life? You are going to now, so you go here. Okay, what is your gain now? Your numbers have been submitted to the German police. Until your heart don't clear now. Then tomorrow you are deported. You will end up being a conductor. Did you have a constitution that guide you that go and be misbehaving? Okay, now people wait there, they don't even beat them. While now wait there abroad, not even come and say, okay, now what our people did now for not beat that girl. It is your sister. Waiting what to kill the girl for. Because it's your talk. Now, if that person get brother tomorrow now, don't you think I also kill one of you now? Okay, now do you think you carry this ruggedity come from the world? When you are left alone, nothing. You are just who you are. You just activate the spirit and begin to misbehave. So who is giving you guys this orientation? How do you think it's going to function here? Is there any bush here? Is there any completed building here? Do you know how many of our brothers today serving J10s in Italy? Some are serving in Germany. Some are serving in Spain. Just because of this nonsense. Now there is a main work we are supposed to be doing. Agitating for a better society. Nobody talks about it. Look at how you guys fool yourself. I wonder at time when we railway bonus in 20 years, you are still piling up with children because of courtism. I can't get it. What are you benefit? What's your benefit? At the end of the day, the police will arrest you. Your people for renew, you not go come out. It gets more time now. People, children, or mon we don't have a beer man and I will come to handcuff you. Child now where they're born here that 22 years. Who is a German police? We start arresting you 50 years. Then all wait for them. You are a fool. Then I'll come do something. Now one small Spanish police, 25 years old, all the Obama bug yeki because of crime. I better go and die. Let's take it easy. Let's stop giving this some of these wayward and stinky people morale. We have Boko Haram right now. This was how they started. Our brothers have died in Edo State because of this courtesy. And our wayward leaders are the one helping them because they need the blood. Now, I'm wondering why you will always say, why not do the thing here? Hey, mommy, I can't work. If you look for my trouble here, I wait to at the body gate because I have no crime before. It is the first time I've committed. I just want to let this person know, say me and I not be mate. And he have been threatening me. And I promise myself, I'm going to help the police of this Europe to make sure he's arrested. I will give you a personal arrest. You can't talk because why? You get can where you don't feel coming before. At the time they enter your line, they must see your conversation. Hey man, that guy now don't hit him. Only what I do is to insult the government. Hey, Joe Biden Ogbeo, hey, Buhari Ogbeo. And they are happy. These people, they love patriots. If I even go station, I'll go report Enike, the way they'll take career. I'll tell them, say, man, look at what I do. Hey, Obo, freedom fighter. We don't do this matter in the play. Who be those one wasting the one? Then we raid all of you one by one. You go let put paper, fire for my past, he go boom. But a generation where they will never live in peace again. Let's always think about the disadvantage in anything we are doing. We have a lot around us. Look at the ESN in Igbo State. They are protecting their people. They are using their ruggedity to save their mother from the Fulani. But our own, you are using it to intimidate people. Do you think these people they've arrested, they are going to come out again for life? Nobody will pay you. Nobody will pay you. That thing, the international community may be interested in that very case because you enter media. Do you know what? You're 3% naked. Who gave you the license? It's just because we have a very wayward government. These people by now, they would have been labeled a terrorist organization. That is it. They will be labeled because if not, don't you feed your children. Okay, now, I don't think you go to any fabric and you do a court meeting before going. I don't think when you are going, as you are traveling right now, you bring out your vaccinated passport and then you bring out your year or a year passport. I don't think it is so. Then why are we not fooling ourselves? Now we are still talking about the independence of Nigeria. Okay, just look at the product of that country. The product of that country. Everything is expired. And nobody cares about the present situation we are facing in that country. All they care about is themselves, their personal self. For how long will it continue like this? For how long are we going to continue like this? Up till now, people are seeing judging themselves into human trafficking or see they arrest them. You can't go spend 10 years because you carry person come, may give you money. They see force you do that one. For most of you that will say, they force you. Our leader does not care. There are a lot of things you are doing. Nobody will tell you to stop it. You have to stop it yourself. There are so many things today you are doing. Nobody will come and caution you again to stop it. You have to caution yourself. If you have strength, use it to serve the people. Go to Paris right now. Courtism everywhere. We have a lot of boys there. You are giving the police excess work to be doing. You are calling somebody who will cut your head. When you don't say not be your pa, your man do the phone. Your own is finished. How they do you now? It's finished. Imagine if a woman can do this to you. Now talk about the abuse of activism. We also join in the arrest. Later we go to Washington, D.C. I pray I shouldn't have problem with any of these animals. There are good ones. So. There are some people they don't look for. They are very gentle. All these man Milana. Okay, now Ogbalegbedo they control them now. If Ogbalegbedo they reach out and they'll come go hide. That's how you go to make life. Please, if you are a woman before you marry, first verify whether a copy because he's going to leave you one day and go to jail. He's going to leave you one day and go to jail. Now you do it before. That time is gone. You use it to, you know, Mona for Singer group for Libya or Morocco. That time is gone. Why putting a cut through to people, threatening them, the same thing they do in Benin, don't come to Benin. These people, they follow law, you can't bribe them. Right now, your number is submitted. You cannot just run. You can't run. Tomorrow, you start blaming your stepmother or your mother. Your father did not pray, no. Look at how we mesmerize our Nigeria. Nigeria today, you cannot sleep with your two naked eye closed. Today is independent. 61 years of independence. Do you know what it means? Die to say you have do freedom. Everything about you right now, you have to take care of it by yourself. You take decision for yourself. You have agreed to go and marry, and you know have children. Train not those children well. What are you going to gain? Okay, for example, now as a cultist, you are coming to come and fight me. You carry dagger. At the end of the day, you dagger me. Then Ogbalegbe arrest you. It's jet direct. What are you using it for? Okay, you wanted to kill him. If British police can arrest somebody for selling fuel, did they arrest in Nigeria? No, they did not. They can't arrest in Nigeria. If British police can arrest somebody for selling illegal fuel in Jerican, what did you think about? Did they know that you are in the group? Was it not last year here why some people were raided? Think about your people in jail already. What call are they putting back to you? Are they encouraging you to continue your courtesy? Or tell you and say, my brother, this thing again, you know, let's just be doing an association. Open a WhatsApp. Be doing my daily contribution. This one carry to this month. The other one carry next tomorrow. If you must yoke together. Europe is no longer the way you think it is. All these threats you are putting, go boy, papa. Where me rame ye no gbeo agbon. Where me rame ye? Everywhere you went, you are lagbontin. Oh man, where gbera bi ye on where gbotin. Every gbo who we. I can't get it. Where do you both get this stupid orientation from? Okay, your papa and your mother, they don't sleep at home. I can't get it. I hate when people at time. I don't go ready the family for her. Walk back go have your CC. Walk back go have your CC. Now you want to be shoot gun. Please, more than allow get peace for this Jan. Why don't more money there with Bonaria? Thank God children are growing up right now. Yeah, maybe do arrest you. Are you not foolish? My own son would not come and arrest you. Because right now, maybe working, you know, children of now, they are very brilliant. They will come and pick you at home. They will be part of the Interpol. You are not even thinking how you are going to metamorphose yourself into the system so that you will not become black monkey. All you still do is to mesmerize yourself. Because one year John will idiot, or one state governor from Nigeria is your head, or one commissioner, no. Look at what they are supporting. You'll be lucky abroad in related to courts. Can I go to jail now? Come and forge the case. I must appear before the court. What have I done is what I'm going to ask. No, I protest in Nigeria. Why you not protest for Italy? I then leave you for start to the shout. Tell the story why we were kidnapped. Because you were one first one of them. Now, that is how you go to bring the rest of animals out from there. This is how they do it too. They want the law of their lawless country to be implied here. And it can't work. Why not let them? Our government is doing their own. The so-called citizens, they are also doing their own. 61 years of independence. Nothing to write home about. The leader that does not value human being, they don't have evidential value for humanity. The citizen also, they don't also have evidential value for humanity. Now, who is to value you? Look at in Sata Kaduna, they did a man burial today, Independence Day. In Sata Kaduna, that one does not bug you. Since the France, Italy have been protesting. How many of these so-called useless cultists we have abroad? Who say, okay, yeah, because I get mine, I get that morale, let me join in No to Green Pass. You can't join it. Tomorrow, after these people have struggled, made their society to be better, then you start looking for a way. They are going to give you money. My dear, this one is not as before. What you sow now is what you reap. We are watching. This one is no longer as before again. It is what you sow now, you will reap. Hello? Hello, Alpha. I'm on live broadcast. Okay. So we have to make this world a better place for everyone. If you know you are rugged, call me. I can put you on my platform. Come and be learning, be teaching moral lessons in social media. That one can also help to calm down your madness. Look at children. Okay, now the other one where they were interrogating him. Look at now, he don't lament. He's going to be there in jail all the rest days of his life. Why the girl you feel you naked? Before you know now, you ain't go your call say that girl want to carry him away from Nigeria because they want to come and treat her. He's in trauma. That girl can have the opportunity tomorrow to go abroad. Then now you go can't use by yourself now. Talk as in your case one be. You trip her naked because of song will not even sing. It's not there Google, it's not there YouTube. It's not the song is not going to the user until they do. Darkness song. Not be even music in a Maya. Korofo ofo. Gwana wa naked there or then instead of you people to keep quiet and feel sorry, somebody reflected, please. Do you know what we are known for? Go and read, think by yourself. Why will a government allow us to be operating this very thing? Then we are devilish, we are deadly, we are senseless. Why? The main purpose why Wole Soyinka formed was for the students to fight for their rights and against every injustice. Not to even shoot gun. Conductor, they can't carry an entire tree, carry an entire upper, carry an entire selu, carry an entire gida. Today they mesmerize everything because when purpose is not, now I belong to, let me assume now, I belong to you guys. Then one small became one dirty idiot go do something for Selu. That is why I'm be cautioning all these elders in this thing or the senior men. Why are you allowing this riffraff to use what you labored for, what you have spent money for? What you take they do fine boy, we not leave them for all these small boys. Made them take the cigar here and there. Why we even hear it so and so person? Hey, nigga so and so. Is there yeah? Hey, ogegman, knockba. Is there? Are you people not ashamed of yourself? Why we get where we more? Tomorrow now, a 60 years old man or Balegbe, that when you come this country, will not be the one to copy you. You are an animal or walking. Most of the team police are arresting people for. I do tell people all the time. If police tell me make I pull over, it get the way you take sound. I'm not going to answer you. If you say me I give you an I'll say I'll leave them for us. I don't give you. I'm very stubborn. I won't give you. Because you have to first of all respect me before I respect you. Do you know why? I can sound like that. I'm not a cultist. I'm not a criminal. I'm not. If I were to be like you, I will not stand today in the ground I stand. You have more to lose when you are in there, but you have more to gain when you are not there. That's what a lot of people don't know. We are seeing a lot of them have problems. Nobody they help them. They know they help themselves. Sorry for that. Go and check all their lives. There's one or two things missing up to today. Then are not getting it still clear. Look at the celebrity we have today. Hey, this person, now he killed this man for 1950. The other one, now he killed that man, this thing. They are our celebrity. Then you want such society to go forward. And I thank God for most of you lives that God have taken you away from that. It's a darkness. If you live in Nigeria, the part of your brain is blunt because they don't reason well. Their leader does not pursue anything better for the society. Look at what they are forcing you to think right now. Why they not crush up this courtesan? Of what economic importance it is. Nigeria is 61. Your children are still killing themselves. Then you later you tell me that you came to come and protect life and liberties. Nothing lasts forever. As a 2012 year, when we go back past for you get one guy na French guy, the guy be, I will call it even Nicolas Sarkozy would use and play that time. Nicolas Sarkozy, the ex-president, was a very powerful man, but look at it today. Now young judge, nice sentence. That's how it go before you. Or man who be OVA or can give away. It's a very shameful thing. Or a Roman or man who work be when again he was in an OVA or Yahweh lawyer. He become a barrister. He will collide with a chief judge to make sure he fight for his money. Wamai bekan or man me. And then what that one where this confront he have no shade to cover you. Because if you are going to person how to go and fight, then nobody catch they control you for road, they see you with knife, immediately direct to prison. So you should know that this is a Western war. This is not your Janjaweed country, whereby you can even kill and the commissioner of police will go and hide you or pay you overnight. Why not hide yourself from this? How many of your mates can you really confront with fight? How many of your mates now say, okay, now you just see and we get back? Can you? Either Igbo don't kill you or anything, it don't damage your life finish. Thank God right now, most of you are vaccinated animals. You have few time to do this your rallies. You couldn't think of a you that was supposed to be on the internet, search out everything. Imagine this thing, how would this thing be? Why are these people doing this thing? Why this too much conspiracy theory? You couldn't think, but you have the effrontery to call a married woman. I'm watching you. Why arguing with her? Why arguing with her? But in no way, innocent people, all of you will suffer it. Only what people can do, why we not yet do. And we are coming to Benin in Air Force One. Stupid idiots. Instead of us to combine what we have. A lot of children are doing well today. Some children are daughter, proud to their parents. What are you people gaining? Okay, you can't go party, carry a round. You carry a round, finish, then any person just come, you say, but this guy na HSO, na Homo sapien, and this guy just be, may you fade. And as you do, we want on it because with your clear eye, you don't feel to do that thing. With your clear eye, you can't do it. And me, I'm talking right now with my clear eye. A lot of them, if they never drink smoking, but they cannot act. Why can you, okay, you don't get a bit person finish now, you can't regret. Even the rest of that people now, they don't find way to enter Libya. Benin not go contest them against that one alive. Somebody sang, even promote whatever. Okay, when I call and say, bring down the video, this is not supposed to not rich. Look at it, do you know the favor that guy going to get? You just make that guy rich. You make her a celebrity. Who lose now? Maybe one day now they come and trade now. Una so na ibelefu. Una gotta beat me. Agbon my men. I become better. Do you know how much the government is going to give to me? Even I go by myself enter coma. You go wabun. If we get taking out of the woman, I'm will lift you. You lose. At the end of the day, you will live regretting. Not that you were fighting for the community. You were not fighting for your family. You were not fighting for the freedom of the people. Just for you to gather, beat the next person. That is just all. Now, who gave you this akekade? Who gave you this akekade? And who is that idiot? Who is your head? Who is your head that is that idiot? That not give you the real orientation? No one will go why. Who is that animal? It won't happen in Madrid. There was a time too much intimidation in Madrid. 1 or 2, 3, suppose about 6 men that have purpose. You're not crossing here now. Go and do it. You be go and do it here and there, whatever in Madrid. Where you are in Madrid. You see our boys go and look at crime they are committing. Waiting made the majority of the 80% are caught. The remaining 20% are human trafficking. A document offense of any commit, they know they do breaking and entry. Caught and human trafficking of food. You come here and say, oh, baby, you get stress. What more is stress? What put you in stress? Every normal fight between you and person. It must be related to courtesan. Now, what are you gaining? Or what of economic importance is this very thing? So, my dear, nothing lasts forever. The reason why I choose to also make Nicolas Sarkozy, the former president of France, is for you to know that whatever thing you are doing, tomorrow, power will change hand. You can be number one man today. Tomorrow you will be on a wheelchair. When I feel goes on mission. I have a child friend. I'm not going to tell you where it belongs. If you talk about ruggedity, do you know, according to what he told me, if we are going somewhere one day, an armed robber attacked their cab. He was sitting down the back and one other woman. Now so armed robber to open AK-47. This one, if you blow whistle, men will go show. Guy forget today. He can no longer use his hands. One of my friends in Port Harcourt tried to interrogate me because me at the first. Did you have you ever done? You never keep person before. But you are heading an abetical. How will you cover? But that same court member have killed somebody. You cannot do it and expect to. His own younger brother, where he they go school before. Now he has 9 days. So a true life story. We be attending a ghost in your team your boy or the FU or what on you now. What shall it profit him? What shall it profit you? What shall it profit him? Okay, yes. Star Prince, God bless you. And 3 of them were arrested. Now arrest you for waiting on behind. Then you are going to now be there right now. Maybe the family now don't go take lawyer. They will monitor you. Because nowadays, to liaise with international community is very easy. You can be there, be new gear letter. So far, no agbo say, who agbo yeah international court. Before you know, international court will reply. There is somebody that your case is in Oko. We are watching. So those days are gone. The people that you are fighting for, all those stupid and whatever, where they palm on and won't until they drag land, tell them you not get hand inside again. Go and learn what. It will be better for you. So that you can do what I do now tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Who you offend for Edo State might meet you in Brussels tomorrow. Might meet you in Switzerland tomorrow, Zurich. And say, this was the same guy. The guy that beat me that time. Maybe he did back, his son just the drive. His son happens to be a lieutenant colonel in the army. He will say, Dad, okay, was that, okay, what happened? 20, okay, that's the man. Okay, hello, come here. You already you calling boys, come here, they carry you out, lock you. My dear, may we repent. May we repent. It's not going to help you. You are just fooling yourself. Now, you gotta beat me for Paris, for example. What about when you come to party in Spain? Make you wear it back. At least I see have 1 or 2 friends now who is not even with their head, not even theirs. I will give command. Do me, I do you. So if you know that in life is a law of karma, inevitable consequences. Karma is inevitable. It must come. Now, una naked person show it to for social media. So to them, oh good kill your pa. Oh good kill your pa. You are in jail now. Did they also train you how to sustain jail? Do you think any of your number 1 man to come tomorrow where, yes, I'm their number 1 man, I'm their zonal head. Please, I came to give them food. Now your family, now you go for why not wise up? Why not wise up? Nigeria is getting old. 61 years of age. The people that were born during that time, some of them cannot still afford 2 square meals. Some of them are the one helping the children today, sponsoring them. They are the claw. Oh, but I don't knock on it. 60 years old man. 60 years old man. A boom where you will be Pierre Kako. If I be a car where you 60 years old man. I mean, what can he? 60 years old man, you are still in the midst of children, and you are still here, 60 years old. Wait till you want gain where you never gains. This was what you do. But the apostle talked about it. That's why the Bible is there. They can't read. Even the wayward pastor, all vaccinated, these vaccinated stupid pastor, they cannot teach their congregation. They cannot enter media and talk about better things apart from fake prophecy everywhere. Our society has been bastardized with a lot of shenanigans. Nobody chooses to be responsible. Nobody chooses to be responsible. All we do is to put a trend. If you have been the one that be calling me, maybe you the right son for my work because you are here or here, you are just wasting your time. You are wasting your time. You are only going to make your life miserable. Your generation will be erased from the surface of the earth. It's a promise. If you doubt it, bring out yourself now, so boy, legally. I will follow it up legally. A letter I all words of life I will letter you work I go international community. I will do you it. You can do personal protest you own. So keep whatever thing you have for yourself. Keep it, keep it. Me, I don't want to see it. I may not be your president, but to the good work I'm doing and to what I stand for, I think I want to be your president. Stop all this having no fortune in a way bona. Who cannot spell their name? 60 years old, my boy, give a dedication. Hey, a dedication. Say your bush name. Say your enemy name. 60 years old man. Then tomorrow you'll be saying Nigerian fail. Why will a country like Nigeria even harbor you as a useless citizen? There's a reason why Nigeria fail, because a lot of fake people are inside. It is not Nigeria that aspires in it. Now people where they say aspire. These people now aspire. You just their house, school, children, they will send them to go school. During graduation, a lot of mothers today, they become a widow. They are childless because of your regredity. Do you know how much for IVF now? To even have a child now, do you know how much for IVF? Then where do you have more money your way to who regredity? Mona go Jama first lady, why Mona go down, and they watch. And a lot of people are watching. One eyes one mood, we will catch you as a vaccinated idiot. The way I thought, don't you know that I'm a commander? Look at all army. They are not here. Look at people that control here abroad. Macron, most of them are senior. Where he forced you go take injections. Macron, Emmanuel Macron. He's your younger brother. Then your constitutional police can arrest you. They not decide when you are to eat and when they are to bathe you, when you are to sleep. It's the most highest dehydrating anybody can face in life. When you are not being controlled, you are in jail. Do you know the reason why people said, no, this injection, I will never? Because they don't want anybody to control them. People like me, you can't control me. I'm stubborn. You can't control me. Why not be also that stubborn? Why not your stubbornness lead to that extent and say, no, this thing, I will not do it? Look at all of them. They don't even know that the injection they are giving to them is gone. And if you are taking injection, tell them that you are here so that they write your name along with it. Huh? Mad people everywhere. You should know that if you think you are much in whatever thing you are doing, you are scanty. People are waking up. There are a lot of people who does not want this nonsense. You are going to cause pains for your mother at the end of the day. Cause pains for your loved ones. Cause pains for your friends. Common deportation here, person go deport. Not be say they prison you. It's still day free world. I'm not going to say you can't go jail for jam. After a row, you know if you talk what you do, what you they arrest them. The rumor will come and say, okay, you say not be money. Why did they arrest you? Related to what? So you are not trying to give the Italian government bad name, say that they arrest people without investigation. You can't say it because there's something fishy. There is something fishy. My city were raided, 18 go inside. I was the last man standing, and I'm in the streets. Because why? They tap the line. I have nothing to do with whatever. I have nothing to do with it. Nobody will not enter a line. If they enter your line, they stay. They say and say, man, nothing. Then go come out. Okay, let everyone assume I was a cultist. I do come and grade there, back here and there. That if you drag me, go. If you want to make up life, you want to have rest of mind, Mind what you do. Mind the association you find yourself. The Bible says, what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and suffer the loss of his own soul? Don't you see how popular the Nnamdi Kanu is? Nnamdi Kanu is not a cultist. But look at it today. Solidarity, the Biafra, is a commander-in-chief. Donald Trump that is fighting today for you to have like, which suppose he is the savior of this very generation. Was he a cultist? No. With his godly mind, he called people together. Please, how are we going to liberate ourselves? Look at what's happening. That man have locked a lot of people in jail. A lot of people are under his custody today in Guantanamo. That's why tell Obaseki to be getting prepared, because what he's doing is a crime against humanity. I know most of you around him are knucklehead. You don't think. If you think by now, you would have put a seized and begin to say, okay, take time, you feel not joke. It's not a joke, because power don't change hands. It no longer be as usual, whereby you do anything that you like. How many people here abroad do you see they lock outside? They just put the law, but here right now he's enforcing it. He's now enforcing courtesan. He's not enforcing courtesan to make sure these people I bring it down. Even me that would have even helped you if I campaign, nobody go vote for me, because they want somebody that will be promoting their shenanigans. Me Maredo now also we they Benin, but we they kill ourselves. Then what do you expect Fulani is meant to do to you? The soul that we have lost in the courtesan have killed. Fulani never kill them. Let us not lie. Not be this period now they never did can't score. Small children go join in touch with all the fight. But big men are in the same court. All these or Mosul. Later you say why will Edo be known as a city of courtesan? And what are the elders doing the barrier to contain this very nonsense? They don't care because they are part of it. They are part of it. They are the one aiding and abetting criminal. So your father is useless. Your own father is useless. Illuminati, they let him go and enter Illuminati. All those are big men courts. Your father, if he's sensible, let him go and join Illuminati. He should go and join Illuminati and leave all these dirty street boys alone. Have you ever seen any senator fight? Say, am I here, am I this one? Most of them, they are there. They do connection with it. Why is it that they want to raid? They doesn't arrest people that dress well. Now you dirty boy, they'll see arrest. If you tell people they arrest today now, either they pet with your friend, he not get where the one way they. You know they are very stinky. Most of them are very dirty. A man that knows what he's doing, you will not go and be putting your hand in what will start giving you problem tomorrow. If I talk to your leader, you are saying I shouldn't come, not be saying I kill him, and I'm waiting, do not talk. What about you go commit crime? Now, thank God you said I shouldn't company. You did say I shouldn't come Madrid. At least I'm still happy. That to say I'm still powerful more than you in Madrid. Imagine somebody that is in Madrid will call me and write comment, come to Benin. Why not say don't enter Madrid, or don't come to Valencia, or don't come to Bilbao, or don't come to Almeria? That would be more better. It shows that you are an animal. You don't know what you are doing. Stop, retreat me from coming to Belgium. To be more better now, but it's all about, because they know that it's a city of blood. That's where they can kill you. There is no justice there. They know they can perish you there and end you there. Nothing will happen. But they cannot do it here abroad. Why you get power for house? You don't say at that time, I say, I will block you for boarding gate, because me and you will must grace. Why you know they talk like that? Say anything. Whenever I see you here in Spain, if you ever come to Valencia again, this very night, I will come to where you are in Valencia. I will drive to Valencia and I will call you again and say, in 3 hours, in 2 hours, 30 minutes time, I will be in Puerto Valencia. May you fall out. I will do it. Threaten the Barata one day. I will come. But why must you say come to Benin? Because they know that is where they have power. Somebody that live in Belgium, if you talk to their guy, say pay them, he go say no enter Benin again. That Benin is city of blood. You people have confirmed me several times with that number. Okay, what the person want to do for city of blood? If I have anything there, I will relocate it. Because you people are making it a bad land. A land that you have to be wayward for you to live freely there. Look at all our attitude. Look at what we are doing to ourselves. Again, we are treated naked. You guys are still calling the same person who stand in solidarity with why threatening why I go here yoga. Can no respect when no respect When all of you now, what you? I bet you people. Why not hide yourself? Some people now, they go to, they're not using to disturb anybody. I've been driving around nearly the whole part of here. I don't drive on. I've never seen person say the person put this thing for here. He go say because he in a court. The people see you, they run. You still go and look for work. This is how they put themselves into problem. Oh man, we are TNI, we are BMI. I know what we are doing. We are team of Then people are patronizing you guys. All these some stupid girls, no man can hear my boyfriend now. Are you not ashamed of yourself that you are going out with a killer? What are they teaching them? Just to teach you how to claw. It not exist again. It can only exist in your Janja with the Edo State. It does not exist anywhere. Go and Abuja and say it. And thank God that the great reset, here reset to Wayane, vaccinated moron. Where you supposed to use your head. If you even form, what have you formed today? Why not even rebrand this thing again and say, yes, if the people we met in this very struggle, look at what they were using it for. Our own, let's use this for a better thing. Only here in Europe. Oshomole today, we are supposed to be in jail right now. But you guys would not talk about it. Oshomole, he finished up at those things. Obaseki today is not doing anything. You thought he does not want to do anything. No, they are not borrowing that money right now. He has on anybody. He has no money to do anything. He has no money to do anything. Oshomole rule for 8 years, he become a multi-billionaire. Come on, Waterstone project, 30 billion, you don't talk about. Do you know how much is called 30 billion? 30 billion. Naira in euro, convert it. A governor, one governor, way ugly, pass 2%. I pray he should be vaccinated. It carry on. But that one not provoking now. If you guys are really sensible enough. Based on say, but the way men come to the shot now, me also can't do this thing. You are not teaching the governor to produce them. Sarkozy 22 million euro. No, don't think he's not going to pay back that money. Can't a property, but you have to see going for it. A ex-president. He was sentenced yesterday. Nicolas Sarkozy, the ex-president of France. He's going to jail. But they cannot probe Oshomole. Because your stupid leaders, they hate the man. They're hating on your life. You don't see anything wrong with it. All you are still doing is say, yeah. Wasted generation. Thank God for the Interpol, the Spanish police, the German police, the Swiss police, the Norway police, and all of that, who was able to crush all this. He crushed them down. Then you guys are serious on it. Why not want to think about your brothers in jail? What is their benefit and what made them to go there? What right were they fighting for? Did they go for protest? I have protected you here, bro. What have you been able to do as number one idiot? What have you been able to do for your own self? You can't help yourself. You cannot help yourself. You cannot boldly come out and say something. Be a courteous and look for my trouble. And let me drop your name. You are in Kakwalo. I go help me arrest you. People would have been ashamed of themselves. How they hear say, I went no one, no one, a cut to you know. All of you are just useless. We should be known for something good by now. Something good is what we should be known for. Imagine my late father was a year. My late father, all the view be a catota. Yeah, with the Parma, yes, man. He remember where I yes, man. My own dad. If this father show that you are irresponsible. Your son today is 20 years. You are still here. You are an animal. Particularly now that these boys have mesmerized. Leave it for them. Why not crumble them? Hey, all of you, denounce. All those trees, boy, or drop it. Otherwise, I will drop you. If you are responsible, that is what you people should do. That will even make God forgive you. Only what achievement, so he can let me. Only what he achieved. What to form courtesy. Even he formed me before Nigeria independent. 1952 is there. If people want to talk now, you want me to respect because you are talking now. Say, the very day I found out that you are talking to me because you are a cultist, I start looking for you. I swear to God. Talk to me as an honorary person. If you are talking to me based on say you take court, I will start looking for you. I must get you. I will start looking for you. Immediately I will look for you. So don't try it. And to who I know, don't try it. If your case is reported to me in the whole world that look at you are threatening people with courtesan, my dear, you have me to contend with. You have me to contend with. Someone must have to pay for all these prices. Hey, Jesus Christ is here now. He came to come and die for sin of the world. And people must have to stop some certain shenanigans. Because why? This thing need to be crushed down. It's not benefiting anybody. You only benefit the criminal element we have in Edo State. Ave Rolande Hoy and all these bastards all benefit. Because this is where they get their morale from. They are making action terror. Okay, how does it benefit you? You buy land from your own community. They take it from you. Why some people today, they are just bomb. You can't talk to them. They can kill anybody and nobody asks. Look at this animal in America. The person thought that is a terrorist today. They are friends together. But you can deceive your people there in Nigeria. But come and say it here abroad. We will dig you to number nonsense. People like us, we are ready to be in exile. We may not come to Africa if you want it so. But here will be uncomfortable for you. Nobody will ever bear your surname again and get visa to this place. Any person that bear your surname or bear a name like you, all black monkey will be having problem. Oibo, I love them for one thing. Now, let me quickly give you this brief analogy before we close here. You know, anytime I'm teaching, if anybody's name fall in between, when the amigo will come Italy that time, now Itapo, they come, they wait for him. Secret police. You know why? You know why they come? They know he's a freedom fighter. That's why, man, but most of you don't know. By now, he was supposed to even be having something doing with the Italian government if it is not senseless. Because we're not the band of Mwererekboto. We're not getting metamorphosed dream, okay? And we're not, hey, carry on, akatake. This is what my eyes saw. I went there. Secret police. Once he just come there, they will come see him with an appointment. But today, no man fully be no one. Hey, be a kage. Oh yeah, back here now. Oh man, no can I spread the red carpet now. We're not by a dream, but what I think about him. If you try me, my brother, if you say anything, you can insult me. But if you put something join and say now that one they give you morale, my dear, I will look for you. Me voy a buscarte. Sea donde sea. Me voy a buscarte. Directamente sin problema. Me voy a buscarte. I will start looking for you. Before you start mobilizing, I will start looking for you. Then you are not going to confer with Bayaru money. It does not cost more to be responsible. It does not cost more for us to have a society where everybody will do it. Even the people that have Ogumagala can sleep outside. Look at fear everywhere. My own ruggedity, I'm using it to build a nation. Use it to even help you. Can you? Well, don't let me down with certain wall that Amando. Did you have the grace? Well, la media na no wait Johnson. Boris Johnson talk about. We am encourage yata. Well, la media na no we a UK kingdom of hair. Back one. Well, la media no wait. We make grace in it. You don't have the grace because you are a coward. But you can look for a man like you. Yeah, I just fall on. Then that one will make you to be happy. Korofo, and then you stream at naked. But you guys are still. It's like one day. So good, everyone. Please, for those of you going out tonight, you have no reason to celebrate Nigeria independence to make God not punish you. I prefer you join the Biafra for sit at home. There is a sense why everyone must join Biafra for their struggle and for the sit at home. The only way we can get our freedom is to begin to unite together and speak in one voice. What is that voice? The Biafra people they've already gotten a momentum sitting at home. You can sit at home. Don't celebrate anything independent. Don't make Nigerian government to feel as if they are doing well. Anywhere you see, say, your state governor, even your friend, say happy independent day right now for your Facebook. My dear, ask him, what are you celebrating? Even though now your favorite governor, he write and say, hey, Nigerian happy independence day, he dey pray. Tell him, say, sir, what are you celebrating? Who will bear no one? My dear, if this country fail, now me and you fail, you have no reason. You have no reason. I'm doing my best. So what are you doing his best? Every one of you, you are doing your best. Una the Kanu is in prison right now, suffering for the betterment of Nigeria. Small girls, if you were there, they are among the Space Force. Small boys, if you were there, they are among the army. No dolagmona yena. Small boys, if you were there, I can deploy any moment from now. No retreat for peacekeeping, because something is about to happen. Nothing can stop what is coming. Nothing can stop what is coming. I've told you before, it's not all about the sickness. It is because they want to use you. They use that one to cover up. That's why American election. I told you in November, a lot of you that were saying talk back, you should be ashamed of yourself today. Go and look at the forensic Arizona audit I put on my page. Go and look at it. Because the emergency broadcasting, I cannot tell you. Go and look at what you were supporting. All man who were supporting now, all money they go away and leader. Because these people, today I pray in the name of God Almighty. That evil kingdom or UK, it will never emerge again. A lot of us don't know. A lot of us don't know what's happening. A lot of us, we are just living. But if somebody they talk, go and start doing your findings. What is happening? Don't call it as a conspiracy theory. A lot of people that were fighting, could you know? People take it as a personal problem and make Donald Trump. Where are they today? Where are your accusers? The same way God told that woman in the book of John chapter 8. They pick up a stone, they say he will cut his very out of adultery. After Jesus cried, right. He said, if you know you have not sinned, be the first to cast off the stone. All of this one looks like all of them start dropping their stone and they left. Did Jesus Christ how the woman? He said, where are your accusers? He said, they are gone. Where are they today? They were saying, Donald Trump talk back. They were the same people are joined to elect their government. But today, it is the man we have in this generation. No, he can liberating man away. Assimilation process away. You have not helped yourself. But I have helped myself. By taking the right decisions. In the book of John. There are 10 virgins. 5 were foolish, while 5 were wise. The 5 take extra oil, while the other 5 refuse to take extra oil. Most of you that doesn't have reserve for yourself, you does not think. Talk show host, Ogen Dono. Obviously, what you're because we are no longer thinking. That was why me man got you Ogen Doya if you believe on Ogen Dono. There is a way Satan came and turned on their head. Even when I said it, because they believe on his certain Ogendo. And they are the Ogendo. Any person standing, no winning, do well. I invoke the spirit inside the sea this night. Locate them in a hurry. Any hypocrites, you are doing what you are doing because you have been paid to come and support one evil leader for that country, Nigeria. After 61 years, nothing to account of, no light. Even when God said in the book of Genesis chapter 1, verse 3, he said, let there be light, and there was light. Anyone who is working hypocritically with our leaders, for them to keep on perpetrating evil against the people, feeling that they are the one that has respect. Baba ne baba, when is na luguna, get that being a lugu. When is na luguna, get that being a lugu. Come, when you yemi rock by a gualome, no ma heke, rundema tanita. beneze na lugu na eriada gwo ya lugu we ni Jesu koma uguro tukotu ne ugwenu yari avo ugwenu eboge lagodao ugwo no gu egun eriwa agiowera eriwa agiogije ezagazaga no gbo e gi ayewe we ni Jesu Kristo no. I hereby raise up the angel of death. Visit as many evil leaders. Visit as many evil leaders. Angel of death, visit as many evil leaders. Anyone sitting down top of Nigeria, who Nigeria get lagodao, who when a brava get me freedom here because of your personal selfish reason. I curse you today, you are a vagabond. I made you a fugitive tonight. Anyone you are standing, you say Nnamdi Kanu must not be released because you know when Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for Biafra, it will affect you by one way or the other. You always talk about yourself, not about the people. Today, I pronounce death upon your life. You are that person. You want Nnamdi Kanu to be killed. All you always pray that no who ye gani. When we are going to uga fian wo we need Jesus Christ no me. Anyone that want to trouble Nnamdi Kanu children and his wife, let the heaven collapse upon them. Omano wi en ya o dere me no ma. E baba ne baba so ai no yare olodu wu na we ni Jesus Christ no me. Emi no gbege ga yo. Even the fourth one we ge your boy ri e your boy gbegbe o. Go have a nice day.